Eating healthy can be very challenging. Kaya today, gagawa tayo ng meal prep for healthy meals for 4 days. Let's start cooking. So, ang key mo talaga dito is not to think of recipes. No? You think of preparations. Basta meron akong tofu na ready, meron akong chicken breast na ready, meron akong other vegetables, and i-assemble mo lang siya to your liking. So, ito. Gagawa ako ng aking simple marinade, soy sauce, olive oil, and some calamansi juice. Yan. So, ito siya, yung half of tofu is marinated in this para may lasa yung tofu natin. That's fine. Let it soak in our marinade. Yung kalahati naman, ito siya, may pan ako. Ito naman isang tofu, ito yung gagawin ko. Chop-chop ko siya ng ganyan. And this is going to be so nice and so interesting. Gagawin ko to, konting salt. No, just season with salt para may flavor siya. Ito siya, dito ko na siya ilalagay sa aking roasting pan. And yung gagawin ko dito, I will drizzle some olive oil. Then ito toss ko siya. And I have here salt and my beans. Pwede sitaw, Baguio beans. Ito French beans. Just blanching that. Aking tofu na medyo na marinate na ng konti. I-grill ko na siya. No? Yan. So, okay na akong vegetable. Oh, yan. So, you can put this in an ice bath. Let it rest. So, ito siya. Tignan mo ha. May grilled na ako na tofu. So, iniiwasan ko din siya mag-deep fry, no? And aking chicken breast is there. Pero ito, meron akong carrot. So, half of the carrots, I will put into my roasting pan. The rest, iba-blanch ko din siya dito. Ayan. Cook that, no? Aside from my carrots, I will also add some eggplant. So, pwede mo i-grill yung eggplant mo or pwede mo din ilagay sa oven. So, ako, I usually put it in the oven para madali lang yung buhay ko, no? Then, I have squash, kalabasa. So, ang key nito is to have everything ready for you when you are hungry, no? Or may lakad ka, meron ka agad makain. Kasi sometimes, kumakain tayo ng unhealthy food kasi wala na tayong choice, di ba? Kahit gusto mo, gutom na gutom ka. So, what we do here, season with salt and drizzle some olive oil as well. Meron din akong bell pepper. I will also add some bell peppers. Put it into our oven. And on the other side, meron akong chicken. Chicken breast, ito, para mas mabilis kung maluto siya. For a quicker marinade as well, yung gagawin natin ay fillet siya, pero we will butterfly, no? Yan, i-open up natin siya na flat, even pieces yung ating chicken breast. Ganyan, no? And add it here to my bowl. Yan. Salt, pepper, or calamansi, and soy sauce as well. Yan. And here is a good way to add your herbs and spices, no? So, tatabi ko na yung aking tofu. Ang aking carrots is already done. Tatanggalin ko na siya. And I will add it to my bowl. I will also add a little bit of olive oil dito sa aking chicken, no? Lalagay ko na siya grill. Clean up tayo. Yan, so malinis yung ating chopping board. And ito, ating chicken luto na rin. So, put that aside, let it rest, no? So, I can have here, I will just show you, I will add some vegetables. So, I have my boiled vegetables here. Then, lalagyan ko na siya ng aking tofu. Pieces of tofu. Grilled tofu. So, ito siya ang aking roasted vegetables and tofu as well. Pero ito siya, babaliktarin ko lang siya, no? So, it's not yet done. Pero itong bell pepper ko, okay na ako sa bell pepper na ganyan, no? I don't like my bell pepper overcooked. And look at that, no? Aking tofu dito sa kabilang side is drying up. So, gagawin ko dito, ito toss ko siya, no? Toss para mag-dry siya. Look at that. Crispy-crispy na yung edges niya. Oh. You can even use an air fryer kung gusto mo. Ha. Spread out naman natin para mag-dry. Balik natin sa oven. Then ating chicken, na-rest na natin yung chicken. Gagawa tayo ng iba. So, I have my greens. Greens here, underneath. And I have some cucumbers here. So, mix to siya ng fresh vegetables. It's like a heavy salad. And eto, I'll add some bell peppers, roasted bell peppers. And on top, gagawin ko aking chicken. I will just dice at least 1.5 chicken breast. Our protein is there. O, di ba? Good, di ba? Ito, I will add a bit of walnuts here to the other one. Ito yung isa ko na I will combine some tofu and chicken. Ito naman, I will cut into strips. And the rest of this, I will add my tofu. Slice ko na rin ng ganyan. Aking bell peppers, I will also cut julienne. Parang pareho siya lahat. This one, I will add here on one side. I will just add some sesame seeds. Toasted sesame seeds on top. On the other side, I will also add some vegetables, additional vegetables. Meron akong carrots dito. I will cut. Julienne ko din. I will get some cucumbers, julienne, salad underneath. Oh, may tatlo na tayo. Look at that, no? Yan, no? So, ito naman siya. By cooking it differently, nag-iba din yung flavor profile niya. So, I have some carrots. Let it cool down. Kalabasa. Diba, nabubusog ka dito? Look at that, no? The rest of these vegetables, you can also put into your blender. Gagawa ka ng vegetable soup. Then, eggplants. Look at that, no? Ating tofu. Look at that. Very nice tofu natin. So, just assembly. Parang assembly lang tayo, no? Prepare everything ahead of time. I will also add some beans here. May natira akong chicken dito. I will just add it here. You have your chicken on top. And let's make one last one. Ako kasi, I eat salads, pero ako kung salad lang papakain sa akin everyday, hindi ko kaya, no? Parang nabobore ako. Then, aking tofu dito. Grate lang natin yung ating garlic. Yan, mainit pa yung ating tofu, ha? Yan. Onions, minced. Meron kang black rice or brown rice. Sarap na nito, no? Lagyan natin ng sili. Half of the chili lang. Baka hindi na kaya. Calamansi, soy sauce, and black pepper. Let's add some greens on the side. Dahon natin. And our tofu sisig. Bilang may tofu sisig tayo, no? Put it on top. Diba? Ito siya. Sobrang simple. Gagawa tayo ng parang Asian, Thai, or Vietnamese dressing. Suka. Konting tubig. Honey. Not too much honey kasi matamis yan. And lime. No? Ano lang siya, very simple. No? Lagyan natin ng chili ng konti. Lagyan natin ng minced onion. Konting minced onion. And let's add a little bit of cilantro. O, di ba? So, whichever you want, magpalit-palit lang kayo ng dressing. O, yan. Isa. O, may hard-boiled eggs ako dito. So, ito, yung mga kulang sa protein ng mga serving, I will just add an egg. Gagawa tayo ng iba. Isa, parang teriyaki sauce naman yung gagawin natin. Ito siya, soy sauce, honey, sesame oil, and we can add grated ginger or grated garlic, no? Just to add more flavor. That's done, no? So, for example, ito siya. You can add this to your chicken with sesame oil. So, parang stir-fry yung effect niya. Yan. So, ito ang ating Vietnamese style na dressing. Very light. Yung isa naman, teriyaki style. And I will just add more sesame seeds to the dressing. At least hindi boring, di ba? Hindi boring yung ating mga dressings. Of course, the classic toyo calamansi or patis calamansi also works. And lastly, ito, gagawa tayo ng yogurt dressing, which is very good for your health. Ako, I really like it garlicky. Add lots of grated garlic. Salt and pepper. So, inuuna ko yung salt to really, draw out the flavor of the garlic. Pepper, konting pepper. I'm also adding some lime or lemon juice to this. And now, I'm adding my Greek yogurt. So, it's also very good for your digestion, di ba? Some cilantro leaves. You can also make a very nice, chimichurri. So, the possibilities are endless, no? Yan, aking yogurt dressing. Diba? Pwede, no? So, ito na yung ating naka-meal prep. Anytime you're hungry. Ito, this will stay for 2 to 3 days. I hope you try to do this at home. Pero ako, feeling ko gusto kong kumain. So, I will try my parang teriyaki style chicken. Ito sa aking dressing ng aking chicken. And on the other side, para hindi boring, ito naman siya yung aking dressing na pang Vietnamese style. O, di ba? Dalawang dressing. The tofu with chicken. So that's the way to do it. The key is to plan ahead and prepare. Yan ang way to get a healthy meal prep. Simple! Please like and share my videos, and if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!